Good morning, children. Are you fine? Keeping fine? Okay. Now let us start our mathematics class for class 3 children. Did you do the homework I have given you previous day? Page number 41, milk distribution and fruit stock. There were 325 apples in the morning, and if there is 98 left, how many apples were sold? Did you subtract 98 from 325? I hope you have got the answer. Don't leave any homework. You must do every day. Then today we are going to take another word problem. Page number 41. Everybody take your mathematics test and keep in front of you, and page number 41. Okay, I will read the question. In a school, there is a stock of 167 meters of cloth for skirts and 118 meters of cloth for shirts. This year, another 495 meters of skirt material and 345 meters of shirt materials were added. After distribution, 178 meters of skirt material and 145 meters of shirt material were left. How much cloth was distributed this year? We have done many problems in this model. Previously I told you one example. Today also I will tell you one simple example. Suppose I have 10 rupees with me. After some days I added 5 rupees more. I got 5 rupees more and I added 5 rupees to old stock, 10 rupees. I have 10 rupees already and added 5 rupees more. Then how much I have? 10 plus 5 is equal to 15 rupees I have. Got it? Then from that 15 rupees I give 4 rupees to one child. I give 4 rupees to one child. Then how much money I have got now? Total rupees 15. From 15 you subtract the money I give to that child, 4 rupees. 15 minus 4 or 5 minus 4, 1. 15 minus 4 is equal to 11. Like that, another problem we are going to do, uniform. Take page number 41. Uniform. In a school, like in our school also there is a supply of uniform materials and other things, everything, no? Like that, in a school, we are asked to do, how can you find out the answer? Read the question under that. Can you write it in a table? You are asked to write the statements given here in a table. I will help you. You look here. I have written here already. Cloth for skirt is 167 meter is there. That is old stock. Then 495 meters of cloth were added to this 167 meter. This is old stock they had previously. These 495 meters were newly added. Then what is the total stock of skirt? We have to add these two meters length of cloth. 167 plus 495 meter. You add and find out, we got 662 meter. Total stock of cloth material for skirt. Then this column is blank. Cloth distributed. Then after that the clothes were distributed to children. those who asked, came wanted. Then after distribution, how much cloth was left? Cloth material was left. 175 meters of cloth material was left. Then we have to find out how much cloth distributed. എത്ര തുണി വിറ്റു? Total stock 662 meter. Then balance after distribution balance is given 172 meter. How to find out? Remember the simple example I have told you. 15 minus 4, no? Like that 662 minus 178. Then how can we find out? You must start. We will get 662 minus 178. See, we can't subtract 8 ones from 2 ones. So we have to borrow from 10 ones from 10's place and add 2 ones. Then we will get 12 ones. Then here only 5 tens. Then 12 ones minus 8 ones is equal to 4 ones. Here 5 tens. We can't take away 7 tens from 5 tens. Can we? No. Only 5 tens are there. We cannot take 7 tens out of that. So here also we have to borrow from 100 plus 100's place. 100 plus 100's place. Here only 500. Here 10 tens make 100. Then we add 10 tens here, 1 10 here, and we got 15 tens. 15 tens minus 7 tens. Or 7 not എത്ര ആഡ് ചെയ്താൽ 15 കിട്ടുമെന്ന് നോക്കുക. That is the easy way. Or subtract 7 from 15. We will get 8. Then 5 minus 1. Take 5 in your hand and minus 1. Subtract 1 or take away 1. How much is remained? 4. 400s are remained. The answer 484 meter of skirt material is distributed among children. See another cloth material for shirts. 180 meters was there, old stock was there, 345 meters were added to that old stock, then total stock 463 meter. Then we have to find out how much is distributed among children. What to do? 400 and total stock minus 63 minus 145. How much? You subtract. We can't subtract 5 from, take away 5 from 3. So you borrow from here. 5 tens are here, 13 ones. 13 minus 5 is equal to 8 ones. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 tens. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 tens. Answer is 318 meters distributed. Shirt piece. Then total cloth distributed. Total cloth. We have to add these two numbers. 484 meter plus 380 meter is equal to 802 meters. Got it? Then you have to do another homework also. I will write you and send you. You have to do the homework Independence Day, page number 42. Very simple. You do that. Page number 42. Okay. Let us wind up our class now. We will do the rest on next day. Thank you.